Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is just a quick video. I went to a tattoo convention this weekend and I bought a bunch of stuff, a bunch of new needles, needle cartridge, and I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna come up soon enough in reviews for the cartridge, because I'm looking for the best cartridge out there to work with. So the first one will be those one they call premium, and premium are like the Cal needle with rubber for the grip. Those one I use a lot. You'll see them soon enough into the reviews. There will be the CNC. They're quite famous. I've been using them for a little while now. I love the way they're made. It's something that I order often, especially for the liners. So these are gonna be reviewed pretty soon, so check it out. There will be a company from Quebec. These guys, I don't know how it's pronounced, if it's Hygie or Hygie, I don't know, but anyway, they're from Quebec. I will review those. These are the new ones that I saw. I never seen them before, probably because they're local. They will be one of my little discovery. These guys FYT, they have bunch of lines of needle cartridge. You will see in the review. These ones are the hardline. I don't know if you can see on the box, it's written like carved in the box right here, hardline series. I love those. These are my favorite, and since I talked with the guys a bunch and I said I was going to put them on a video, review them, and gave them my honest opinion on those, they gave me these. Another line they got, the Emerald. As you can see, Emerald. The construction are not the same. They work very well. I tried them. You'll get to see those pretty soon also. They're probably new to you guys, but remember this, because this is so far my favorite type needle, especially those ones. All right, so you'll get to see those. And another little surprise that I got, since the first time I was buying those, I got the trial kits. You can only get the trial kits when you're a first-time customer. So I got these to try, because I heard lots of good things about it. They apparently they don't leak at all. They're good pretty much. So I decided to order some and to see what they are. And they have a different construction of others, and I really like those. And I think those and FYT will be my favorite needles. So check it out, guys. They are the TNT. Maybe you saw them advertised on Facebook and some place like that. They're worth it. They're worth it, I'm telling you. I tried it once. I can't wait to try them again. They're amazing. They're amazing. They don't leak whatsoever. I didn't think they were holding a lot of ink, but they do. Anyway, extremely surprising. I'll show you in the review. So these are the one, and I will show you guys. All right, so these are for the needles, and I hope you enjoy those. It's just to give you my opinion, to show you guys the construction of the needle, not to go in super extreme detail about it. You can go on their website, you can find out all the infos. I'm telling you my personal opinion as a tattoo artist, what I like to work with, and usually they're pretty good. All right, so see you next time, and be safe.